Okay.
Okay, so today we'll be covering the admin, like the whole admin part, where I will be covering all the admin workings and all. So I am sharing the screen. Just confirm me if the screen is visible or not.
Yeah, visible.
Okay.
Yeah.
So see, the file set is basically simple. This is my whole like these things you will not write. This readme to front end. This is for my help and all. But what you should do, I'm telling you, this application file should be there. This instance file is automatically created. Do not take this. This source one is also not needed. I have created for a template only. The static is obviously required. See the static one. This, like your front end is there. This is the static one. Under the static, you should have this components folder. Under that, all the JS files should be there, and the main script.js file. Whatever you gave as index.js, the script.js is same.
Hmm.
That is the thing. And under templates, you will use this index.html and mail details.html. Nothing else. And except everything is same.
Okay. Slightly, could you slightly increase the font? It is.
Which one? The right one or the left one? It
Um,
will I think increase. Yeah.
little bit. Yeah, now it's okay.
Yeah. It
This,
should
this
be like
should be the.
yeah. I'm telling you. This is not required. This is not yeah. This is the whole structure. This should be done.
Backend. You have not created backend front end folder.
No, it's not required. Backend is under application. Front end is under static. You
But
have to
for
delete
me,
that. That is the thing.
in the previous term, my mentor was someone told me to do it like that only. There should be a
It's
backend
wrong.
folder
It's
and
wrong.
one
It's wrong.
front-end folder.
I am telling you,
But
okay, you can give the names, that is your choice, but it should be in the structure only. But your structure was using that view files and all. That is not required for the projects and all. But however you do that, that is the thing. That doesn't matter at all.
if that kind of structure is there, directly they will reject.
No, never. I have done this. But like I have mentored the in previous term also. They have also passed. I have done this same structure in my case also. They have also passed me. Nothing else, nothing harm on this. Like they can't reject you on the basis of file structure. This will never happen.
Okay, right.
Okay,
Okay,
so
then we'll
I'm
continue.
just leaving this one and let's begin with the works. So again, one thing, just from you, like anyone can tell me what are the works of admin?
Yeah, he should be able to.
Okay.
Like he should be able to manage the user and control all the access of the user.
So it's a basically a super controller, basically.
Super control.
Okay, so basically, if you have like in the previous class, if you've gone through the flow, I'm not telling anything about the flow. I will just explain the codes what I have written. So for example, you are going with the template. So basically template building is according to you, whatever style you want, you give. But what are the important parts? Where do you need to code yourself? I am guiding you that. For example, let me show you the picture also. Like it will give you good clarity. Let me show this. Okay. Let me copy this. Okay. Now, someone I think master control was there. One, two, three, four, five. Okay. Okay. See, yeah, it's an admin page, right? Fine. Okay. So basically the thing is when we are designing this is like these things, first of all comes the V model part. I have told you in the previous class also the V model plays an important role in binding the data. So we will find where the V bind basic V model actually. So I think you can see this very clearly over here. V model is there for the search query and all, because one thing is there like they're actually telling us that admin can search all doctors and patient. I think if you read the milestones, like not the milestone, if you read the documentation and all, there is a important point over there that admin should able to search the names of doctors and like patients. I think this part was there. So basically what is the thing, now we are doing the thing like for example we are binding the things. For example we are searching the options. Let me show you how it looks actually. So basically this part, this small part, like okay, let me show you by this part. This blue part, this search percent, I do not have a stylus. That is a main problem. This search percent is actually according to this code. So this search percent is this one. Okay, okay. I think you all can see over here. This part is for the search thing. So how I have designed, the design part is up to you. How you will design that I am not telling. But the thing which is required, for example, I am using this input part, like where you will type the entry, that is v model. I am using the search query, and after that I am using this search query in the form of an option for patients and doctors. Why I am using this? Can anyone explain me why I am using this? By this structure also, can anyone tell me why I'm using this?
Yeah, because there are only two users, either patients or doctors.
Yeah, because
A
admin can
patient want to
yeah,
search for doctors and doctor want to search for patients.
yeah,
So when you are what you are searching, it will give so that it can search the parents. Patient's record.
yeah.
If you give patients, it will when you give a first few letters, it can search like that. No.
So basically, the programming part I will later discuss with you. The thing is, like, whenever you give the doctor's name, for example, I'm searching with this only, so it will change to the like it will basically now it is giving everything which is there. That's why that is the reason I have designed it like this, just for the explanation. But I think you can code well if I explain it this way. For example, if you are giving this doctors, and if you are giving this S, so in the front end, in this part, like in this input part, basically the search is getting as S, and in this part the view model is storing as doctors. And what we are doing with this, let's see. Where is the front end part kept? Okay, okay. So basically what we are doing, like let me show you the click one. Yeah, see this one, the important part. Like when you see these structures now, when you go through this recordings also, you will do see like this whole part, because without clicking on the search we will not be able to do something, like not be able to do the following parts. For example, here we are, what we are doing, we are triggering the perform search. And I think you guys very well know that perform search is defined below in the methods. Need to find it. Yeah, this is a perform search. This is a very easy template, I think. Is there any problem in understanding this code? Just tell me, then I will understand. I will just tell you, like the syntax. Backend I will explain. The syntax, any problem? Tell me.
No, syntax when you are showing the
The fetch
code,
part,
it is.
the then part, the catch part, that is the thing. Because backend is going to the fetch, like fetching that backend thing. That I will explain. But the syntax part, anything different from the fetch, catch, which I have explained in the previous class, that's the thing I'm asking.
Mm,
Anything you find difficult?
it is same, almost same.
It is a
Then
very
I think,
basic code.
yeah, 48. I think 481, 482, 483. These three lines are something slightly different, no?
483, 398, I think.
Huh?
398.
398 fetch. This is the main.
I am fetching the backend simply.
Okay.
Which one you are telling me? Just tell me the doubt. 408 or
Just below that, 401 is there, no? 401, 402.
yeah, that is the syntax. Like when you, like for example, you send something to server will like give you a response. So I am recording that response in the form of 401 and then processing it in the form of 402.
Okay.
I think this was discussed in the previous class. Any confusion till, like now I will go with the backend. For example, here what I am doing, I am fetching the backend, and I think I have defined this in the backend. Let me check it.
No, you were explaining, no, when you type S in the first character S in the
Yeah,
search bar,
yeah.
how it is
Okay, you are telling
going.
about that thing. Okay, so I have like this is the data which is I have used over here. See this data part. So I am storing
Hmm.
it basically, nothing else. And V model helps us to bind the things. Nothing like it actually bind the things. Like when you are like writing S, and when you are writing patients. So in this search query it is storing as S, and in this search type it
Hmm.
is storing as patients and doctors, something like this. So see, I have given the following things over there. Whatever you search, that will come accordingly. Nothing else.
Hmm.
Like when you click on, okay, when you click on S and when you give these doctors, so
Hmm.
basically these variables are updated. Like this,
No,
yeah.
patient name, it is searching for patient name or it is fetching the entire record of a
It will no, no,
patient or doctor.
you are required to, like, in the document you will see it is telling that we actually need the whole patient like thing, like whole patient IDs and all. So you need to
Hmm.
print the whole block of that, like whatever the patient name is there, patient ID, patient blood group and all. That's the thing you can customize. It depends upon you, but it should be able to do the searching properly. That's what's written in the things.
So it is searching by name or what?
No, no.
When we are giving.
I am telling you. Obviously, it's by name only because I have done this one only. When you are okay, let me, yeah, see this one. Whatever you give by name or email or
Yeah.
specific like specialization, it will do the thing only. Like I have written over there also. For example, you
Yes,
if you
yes.
want some cardiology and all, you will get the whole list of
Mhm.
this. So something like this you will able to search. But the search functionality I have not designed, like gone through the designing well. It is on a basis only, like on a break only. I am showing you that how to develop the search function.
Hmm.
Like it's not fully like done over things. I need to work upon the searching modes and all. That's it. So this
Okay.
like when you click on S and when you click on doctors, so these data parts are actually replaced by that things, and then we are sending it to the front, like the front end. Let's not, sorry, not to the front end, from the back end, and then we are creating all these things, nothing else. So this part is on, like, work under progress, you can say, this search part. So basically, the thing is, the searching was not very important because there are many functionalities. Remember the thing, there are many functionalities. For example, this was the like first basic thing. Next, we are coming with the, like, up till now, just forget about the search thing. That is not required up till now, because it is required. But wait for it. I will just come to it later on. The main thing is that if you read the uh, like documentation, it is properly written that admin should be able to create new doctors. There is no registration for doctors, so admin should be able to do the like the auto registration of doctors. So what I did, I actually use this one. Like when I click on add doctor, so it is like it is basically giving me a new form to fill all the values over here. That when it is like the consultation fees, qualification and all, to create a doctor. So I have created these two things over here. So I will show you how it is done. So for example, if I go below in this doctor management section, I have in the code I have pushed, no, it's the codes are not pushed, I will push it. So this, in this part, you will clearly understand that whenever I am designing the pages, so what I am doing, I am telling this to, like, click on, like when I am just giving this add new doctor. So it is basically a button. I am not like, I am sure you are understanding this. It's basically a button. So when we are clicking on add new doctor, what it does basically, it triggers the open doctor model function. So what is this function? Let's see. This is the thing which is required. For example, where is it? Let me find this. Yeah. So basically what it does, I'm just telling you. So it just record what I think you can see this very well. So it just records all the things which is given over here. Like for example, I am giving this ID, this first name, this last name. How I am giving? By this form only, which is which I am taking. For example, I'm giving the first name as Shubham. Okay, it's like Shubham. So the first name, in this first name, like this first name Shubham would be like transferred, or it would be taken when I click on create doctor. Remember this, nothing else. Yeah. So after, okay, let me, okay. So after this, all the things are IDs are taken over here, and it is being able, like it is basically creating that like basic doctor over there. So this is how the basic doctor we are like deploying over here. You can use your own way. For example, how you can do this, I'm just telling you by giving an example. So in this way, what you can add, what you can do in this block, this doctor management section, when you create this part, this area, so you can do like this way. For example, you can create another page. So example, you are giving is this as router link. Okay, me do this. 2 equals to giving it as slash admin add new doctor, new doc. So you are giving this basically like taking this to a new web like page and doing the following stuff, not like me, like how I have done. You can do that that way also, no matters to that. But you can take that to a new web like new page and then do the following registration and all. That depends upon to like depends upon to you, nothing else. So this is the way you should do basically, no matter how you should do, but the thing should be same, like how it does and all. Okay. So after this, basically we are displaying the doctors. For example, this part comes very easily. This is a very easy thing. This doctor part. This I will show you. This part is important. Like follow this part. So how you will just get this part? I'm just telling you. So for example, I have created a class body. For example, I have created a table, and under that, what I am doing: name, email, department, and this. Anybody can tell me what is this structure? Anyone can tell
Table
me?
table data. It is
No, no,
fetching the
no, no, no.
table
The
data.
format, the format. Because if you see the whole area, I have given this specific second bracket to specific areas only. Anyone can tell me what is this? What is this front end code? What I will tell. What this language called? Anything? Anyone? Yogiraj, you also try.
JavaScript, no?
No, it's not JavaScript. To display the things,
Oh,
you need something. Like if you have gone through the Mad one structures and all, you will know.
Flask.
No, not Flask. It is something which is required for displaying the backend data to the front end data. Like in Mad one, how you have showed the data in the HTML pages. Anyone remember the Jinja? What Jinja?
Yeah, yeah.
It's
Jinja
actually
thing.
Jinja.
Yes.
It's actually Jinja.
Yeah, yeah.
It's actually Jinja. So it's how the Jinja is required, and I will come to this part which is very necessary. So this is the way how I have designed. Like what I am telling, if the doctor is available, I will use, if it is available, then I will use this success badge. And you may have a confusion what is the success badge. If you go to the bootstrap, then you will understand. It looks like this way. This green badge. This green badge is actually success. So these are not basically tough codes. These are basically styling, you can say. So you can code your way also. That's up to you. That's up to you basically. So this is a Jinja base. When I am giving Jinja, so you will remember that Jinja is basically for displaying the data from the back end to the front end. And now the thing comes that how to get this. So let me tell you the back end story now, which is very important for this class. That is we are dealing with, I think, which one we are doing. Let me find this. It's too hectic for me also to find the. Okay, this one is, I think, uh like how I am showing you. Like I also sometimes writing these big codes I also forget. So for example, what I did over here, here is an option for canceling appointment. I think you guys can see over here, canceling appointment. This option is over there. Okay, I am showing something. No, wait, I am showing something. Okay. Okay, see this one. I am showing something wrong to you. So this was a button, uh, which is that open doctor model. It is required for not this one. Sorry, this delete part. My bad. This delete part. How to delete this doctor? Which is this one. Like this, when you click like this red one, it is telling that are you sure you want to deactivate this doctor, because admin has the power to deactivate the doctor. So I am showing you the logic how I did this. So basically, up till the front end, like the front end network, is there any problem of you guys, that you are having any problem of understanding the front end codings and all, the front end part? Because
No, no.
I will show the back end. Like I need to speak very much because very minute details are over here. So this is a button over here. So what is it's doing? It is basically calling the doc delete doctor, and under over this there is a doc.id. What is doc.id? I'm just coming to the back end part. So I am just showing you. Okay. So see this one, this whole part. What I did. So basically this is a alert one. This is a alert one. Are you sure you want to deactivate this doctor? How it comes? Let me show you. So this one, this is a alert page. So this will be coming if you give this syntax before this part. This syntax if you give, so it will come basically. After this, coming to the backend part. So I am just doing this thing. Basically, I am doing what I am doing. I am just telling you. I am just fetching the backend, fetching from the backend and doing the following thing. So I am just clicking this thing. I'm just showing what is this part. So this is so the routes.py is basically the backend part. So what I am doing, I'm just telling you. So this is basically basically what I will security route, which is obviously handled by the admin. So obviously you should do like this only. I think these things you guys know better than me. So what I will do, basically to code a backend, the best way is to do with a try exception block. I am just giving this advice because it's very necessary for you. Anyway, in big tasks also this is required. So what I am doing, I am just fetching this doctor ID from the backend. I'm just using this doctor.query. I think you guys can remember the database structures. So this is how we do the database things. Anyone having doubt on the database or what? How do we face this data? Anyone having any doubt in this data part?
No, no.
Okay, the database is good with you guys.
Not
So, for example, what I did, this is a very good way. For example, if you are doing with this doctor part, so what I did, I just found the doctor ID. Now I'm showing you how it does. For example, okay, this is the name of the doctors and all, right? I'm showing you how the flow occurs actually. So basically, this is the thing like I am checking the appointment is booked or not. Then I am just sending the things, and I am just basically committing. Like, let me show you the database. Then you will understand. I have created this just like this way. So you can see this is a chart where I am having this is active in the doctor's page. Is active is there. So what I did over okay in the back end. So when anyone clicks on this like clicks on the red one, it will take over here to in this part, and it will do basically this active as false, nothing else. So let me show you the effect. For example, it's available. Now I am just creating this red one. So see, it will be like the available, like the active status is being gone over, like gone from here. You can see this very well. Let me do the second one also, then you will understand. Okay, any problem is yeah, there's a problem. Okay. Okay, there is some problem. I will fix this one. No issues with that. So basically, the thing is, when you click on this backend part, it will take you over here, and it will search for the query of the doctor, and it will do the following stuff. Like for example, it is checking that appointment is there or not. If it exists or not, then it will be checking it, and after that it will be setting the active to false. Like any confusion in the front end part, like backend part, sorry, how the backend is designed.
Once
no, no,
if
no.
you can
Okay,
again go to that confirmation screen you are getting, no? So confirmation alert you are getting when you are
this
trying to delete.
this one.
Yeah, yeah. How you got that? Where is
Okay,
that code written? In
you
which file it is
okay,
written?
this one, this part. See this one. I have told now this one.
No, this is also in the roots.py only.
No, no, not in the router part. It's the admin.js. See, I am telling you.
Okay.
The
It's
things
in the
which
admin
you
page.
designed in the front end you can't see, like you like sorry, not my mistake. The things you designed in the back end, like in the routes.py,
Hmm.
you can't see anything. So this is being
Yes.
seen by you. So how can this be in the routes.py? It is in the front end part only. That is the admin.js part. Now
Like
just
the logic will be in specific files like admin.js.
yeah,
Okay.
like for example, you are designing the admin part, so it should be in the admin.js. If you are doing the doctor part, so it will be in the doctor.js. If you're doing the patient, so it will be in the patient.js or dashboard.js, whatever you feel. That's the how the
No.
logic works.
So
Convention.
when we what I'm asking was when we click on delete doctor,
Yeah.
so it is automatically if the first thing it will that this function is executed. Delete doctor with ID. It will
Yeah,
fetch the
this is
ID.
executed. This one is executed. Yeah.
So in that, in the first line, it will be executing
The
within the
alert page.
function this.
the
this
alert.
automatically this will be displayed.
Yeah, obviously every time the alert function
So
will be there.
when we again click on the confirm OK button, in that this
Then it
that
will go
OK
over here.
button confirmation screen, all that will be how that was created, that page, how that alert was created, and that buttons. There are two buttons, no?
Three buttons are there.
Confirm,
One is editing, but
OK.
okay, this one you were telling, okay and cancel.
These two buttons,
These
yeah.
these are auto, these are auto things. These are from the basics only.
Loop.
I have not designed anything from. This is the alert box. How it is designed by the JavaScript developers.
So where is that part which is getting triggering this alert?
Yeah, no, I am just using this if condition, nothing else.
Hmm.
I am just
Okay.
I am giving example. For example, if I am just using this one, this confirm is that for the security. For example, if I am using this one, it is telling me to return this one whole block. If I am canceling it like this way, if I am canceling
Mhm.
this, then what does the code tell me? That if false, then it will not execute. Then it will like returning nothing. If I click on OK, then it will be doing these things.
Okay, so basically, if the person, like if someone clicks on cancel, then if it is then it is then not confirmed, then it will return the function. That means it will the further will not be executed.
Yeah, it will not be executed basically.
Okay.
That's how you design. You can design it in a very basic way also. Like you can remove this one
Like
also
we
and
can
do the
use alert function as well
yeah, you can
of
use alert
JavaScript.
also. But here why I'm using, because I need that OK and cancel one.
Okay, in the alert, okay, in the alert it just show the message.
Yeah, it will just show the message. You can't do anything.
Now, how you can write that alert message? Suppose if you comment the 453 line number.
Let me show you. Let me show you. I will not change over here. If I change anything over here, it will create that trouble. I am just telling you. Okay, in registration I have used it. Okay. So yeah, see this one. See this one.
Mhm.
So when you
Yeah.
are taking the response from the server, I am just using this alert. It will show me that user successfully registered. That's it. By the help of alert option.
Mhm.
This is the how the things over here. But if here I require the OK and cancel. For that reason, I have coded it like this way. Nothing else.
Okay.
That's it. And the other option is for the restoration. Same thing. Restoration is the same thing also. This I am showing you. Let me show you the restore option. This is a no status is there. When I click on this one, again the same thing comes. Then it comes on yes. So I have not, I think, not developed with the second one. I need to code that for. Because of that, the second one is not happening. I will code that also. No worries with that. Some glitches are there over there. So let me show you what this endpoint does to like does. Okay. So this is the endpoint. I think this one also you can understood very basic, like same as the previous one. Here I am. What I am doing, I am just changing the active status to true. Basically, all the game is of changing the data to of the database only. That is the whole game of the backend developing and all. That's it. So this is how these two functions are over here. And okay, and next things we come with this one. Another main important thing was how to actually admin can actually manage the status of the appointments. For example, this guy Ravi has some appointment with Dr. Olivia Augustine. He has booked that one, and he want, like he like admin has the power to cancel this. So how, like when I click on cancel, yeah, same strategy is there. So let me show you what it does. So again the same thing, like appointment management. Yeah, this one. So okay, there may be a question that how this data we are showing, right? Any questions? Like do you guys know that how I am showing this data this a patient name, doctor, department, date, time, status? Any questions in this, or you know that how this data are being displayed? This apt dot patient name, doctor name.
No, we
Any
are
idea?
fetching from the backend.
Yeah, I am just telling this one. So basically what I did over this, this is this one. So I have created the basic methods. where I am fetching doctors, appointment, department, and patients. So what I did over here, let me show you this. So this one you will understand basically. So okay, and now I am showing you. See what I am doing. My aim is to take all the doctors details. So I have created this fetch doctors methods, and what I did, I am calling this from the backend. And what I have designed the backend, I'm just telling you. I think you will get this very easily. So what I did, I just collected all the name of the doctors by using the database query doctor.query.all. And what I used, this is a very good practice. Obviously you should follow this one only. You should, first of all, you should take a list, and then you should use the, like, basically dictionary of list, which is very useful for this. So what I did, I just used this for loop and append all the function, like all the useful details from the database, and just pass it with the help of JSONify to the front end. Any confusion in this part? Like, I hope you understood the flow, that how I am sending the data to the front end to the back end, the back end to the front end. Any doubt in this part? That how I am asking for the like database things and all. Any problem in this part?
No, understood.
Yeah, I think this very
Yeah.
basic part. So when what I did over here, I am just returning these doctors as a doctors list. So see what I am doing in the front end. So what I did over there, what I see this one. I am using this dot doctors is equals to data dot doctors. Why this doctors? Because I have used this part as a doctors only. So basically my backend doctor list is being appended with the doctors in the front end. And I think I have defined over here this part, these doctors. So when I am going in the front end, let me show you now. Okay, have I used it or not? Let me check. Yeah, now everyone can see this one, doc in doctors. Then I have displayed all the names. Any problem in this?
Got it. No, no, no.
I think Pratap, you understood this well.
Yeah, yeah.
So this is how you should do the appointments, the patients and all. The same strategy for everything. You have the database, you should call it from the front end, from the back end, from the back end to the front end. This is the whole logic over here. Okay. This
Okay.
thing was there, and now I will show the cancel part. How to cancel this booking and all. Like, admin has the power of canceling. Let me check the cancel. Yeah. So again, the thing is that I think everyone can see this one. This cancel is over there. So I will just
Even
ask.
patient
Yeah.
can cancel his appointment, right? A patient
Yeah. So
doesn't cancel the appointment.
yeah, cancel the appointment. Like, he has a direct power. Now I will ask you a question, that when basically when the cancel will be clicked, where I should check, like which method I will check, what I have defined in the method, which method I will check now. You guys answer me.
Cancel appointment.
Yeah, let me check the cancel appointment then. Where is the cancel appointment? Let me find it. Okay. See everyone, this is a cancel appointment. I think you guys can see this very well. This is a cancel appointment.
Yeah.
And now see the coding part, what I did over here, dynamic part over there. So here is, I am using this cancel thing over here. But the thing is that where is this gone? I need to find it again. Okay. Deactivate is there. Let me find it again. Okay. Yeah. So it's a cancel appointment. What I did over here, apt.id. But the thing is there, it's like it's giving me the patient name, patient doctor name, patient department, and ID. I'm also see the coding. What I did, I also took the ID from here only. Cancel appointment, under this I am passing it as an argument as apt.id. This is the way you should do the dynamic coding. Every time you will not have the static one. You may sometimes need the dynamic one. So you need this dynamic id by using this type of things. For example, you are giving this apt.id, so you are basically passing this in the backend. So the backend part I'm just showing you. Okay, where is the cancel appointment? Yeah. So basically I am just calling this again the same thing. I think this thing you understood. This is the alert one. So I am just fetching the from the backend. I'm just copying this, going to the routes, and okay, and and let me check. So like still this, like what I will do, basically what I will do, I will just change the, okay, let me show you the this thing also, then you will get the idea. So in the appointments, basically table, I have this part. Where is the status? Status, yeah, status. So basically this way only you should do the codings and all. So there's completed cancelled book. So what I will do basically in like I'm giving you the idea, the idea is over you only. It is getting, just clicking on the cancel one, it will just cancel the whole thing, just canceling the whole thing. What I did over here, just used only one line, that is cancelled, nothing else. Like when I am just using this, I am just taking this appointment, like how I'm getting the appointment ID from the front end. And when I'm checking this as a appointment ID, and I'm saying that if status is there, I will just change the status to cancelled. Any problem in this backend, like backend code, it's very simple, I think. But if any problem is there, just tell me.
Yeah, that when at click is equal to cancelled appointment API we have used, no? There
Yeah,
in
this
the
one,
previous screen
this
we were
one.
showing.
No, no, this one is update. Like, okay, I am using cancel as a method name, but I am using the
Hmm.
backend as update appointment.
Yeah.
So it is going into this
Okay.
backend part and just doing the thing. Like the Python code, you understand or not? Tell me that one. That one is also necessary.
Yeah, code I
Definitely.
understand. But,
The logic is same only. Fetching data from the backend, and then you are doing the manipulation and all. Nothing else. This is the best thing. So this is how the whole things occurs over here. And yeah, you may ask this, what is this one? Anyone knows what is this one?
yeah.
This is
Basically,
basically
it is used for error handling.
error handling, nothing else. So you may or may not use. That's up to you. Your wish. But it's good for error handling and all. So this is the thing, how you just cancel the appointments and all. And one more thing, okay, uh, two things. Okay, let me show you this also. When I click on cancel, it got cancelled and all. Nothing, like if it is cancelled, you can't revoke it. It is being changed to cancelled. This is the action I have taken. Another thing is that patient, like patient is like patient names and all. The user can, like the admin can block and something like do this. This was there in the uh, whole list. So I am showing you how the patient will block and all. So basically, again the same thing. I will just go to this okay, admin.js and see this one. Okay, need to, okay. So here I am just again displaying the things. Is a doctor one. Where is the, okay? Let me find it. Okay, okay. It's a, I have given this area also, patient's active block status. So what I did, I also gave this patient status and active, like three things I would like to show to you: patient name, the status, and the actions. So see this one, I am just showing the patient, the status, and the actions. For example, what will be done over there, if I click on block, so it will be inactive, the status would be inactive, as a, like it is basically blocking me, my name is there. So if I want to block this patient also, so it is also blocking this Yogi Raj to you. And if I want to reactivate the patient, I will just again click on this and it will activate. Have you understood this workflow? I'm just showing you the coding pattern. So again, just help me guys, which method should I go for deactivating the patient or blocking the patient, basically? Which method should I go?
Reactive.
Yeah, deactive patient. Okay, let me go down.
So this one, when when you're showing, no, that from where we are
This
passing
one,
the ID here, deactivate
this
in the
ID.
5149 number, that ID.
Yeah,
How we
so
are
yeah,
fetching that ID?
so that I have only told you. Wait. So see what I did over here. I am passing this as
Hmm.
apt.id. What is apt over here? What is apt? The app in,
One.
I'm telling you, apt in pat info. What is pat info? Pat info is a patient's info. What is patient info? Let me
Mhm.
show you.
Right.
This is a patient info which is empty, and I am showing you what is
Yeah.
patient info. See this one. See,
Patient data.
all the patient details are over in this area. Have you understood this part? This is a fetch patient. What I have told you,
Hmm.
like fetch doctors, fetch patient. I am fetching all the patient info over here with this part.
Okay.
And now I am using this as a loop. Okay, let me go up. Yeah, and now I am just using this as a loop. APT and pat info. Then I am telling apt dot name everything, and I am just passing the ID over here. Both over here, app.id. And you may ask me that why app.id, but here I have not shown the app.id and all. But let me show you the backend also, then you will understand. Okay, where is the fetch part? Let me, okay, since it's big, I need to find it like this. Uh, just copying this. Okay, and going to the routes part. See this one. ID is there, name is there,
Yes.
email is there. I am just sending this to the front end, and all the data are going over there. So I am just taking this ID part, nothing else.
Hmm.
So when I click on this, so let me, okay, I get this thing. Okay, go on this. I need to go it manually now. Okay, so here, so now you understood how this apt.id is taking the data, sending, like what is the actual data, how it is sending this and all. Any problem in this?
No,
No.
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 So when I click on deactivate patient, so it's basically going to again the same thing, which is, where is the deactivate? Yeah, so this is one deactivate patient. Again the same thing. I'm just giving this confirm statement and all, and let me show you what it does. Any guess what it could do? Any guess? Before going on to the actual code, any guess what it can do? Deactivating the patient means what? Any guys? Any guesses? Also correct. You can go.
Patient.
Like it will alter the active status,
Okay, let me check.
alter the active status because it is
See,
post.
see.
It is
Tell me the
using
code.
post, so it is a
Wait. Tell me the code line where you are seeing the change. You find it. Tell me the code line where you see the change.
931.
Yeah, right. Have you got it, Pratap?
Yeah, I'm seeing. Yeah.
See,
Okay.
931 is his answer. What is your answer? Your answer
Hmm.
is same or different?
Yeah, 91 patient
Yeah,
is active function is equal to false. So when we deactivate,
yeah. So we are just taking the ID of the patient, unique ID,
hmm,
and just deactivating him, nothing else.
okay,
Similarly, the same thing goes to reactivate, changing it to tell me the area. I think you guys can see it. Now you tell me the area where I am reactivating the patient.
952.
Yeah, right. So here I am just changing to true. So these things happens over here only. So because of this things only, all these things, the dynamic part is happening. Like when I click on block, it is getting inactive. When I click again on active, it's getting changed to active. Nothing else. Like this is only the workflow over here. So all the admin works are done over here. Admin parts over here. I will just push the codes. Then you can check it and tell me any doubts up till now. Like it is very hectic for me to like tell many things. There are many things over there. Anything if you want
Yeah.
to know?
So we have to explain so many things, and we have to understand also all the things systematically, so that we'll do well in the Viva.
No,
No?
no. I think there is any. I understood that today's lecture may be heavy for you guys, but do you understand the flow? That's actually the main thing. Then you can
Yeah,
code
yeah.
yourself also.
I can understand the flow, but we have to understand, remember all these things perfectly and
Yeah,
do it on our own
that is
without using
the main thing.
ChatGPT.
Yeah, that is obviously the main thing you can say me. That is the main hard thing you can say me. But you need
Yes.
to practice well. Any like obviously you come from a non-coding background, it will be
Hmm.
time taking for you guy. you guys, as I understood, but Yugiraj, any problem with you?
No, no, I understood the flow.
Yeah, you understand that thing. But I think those, if you are having problem, Pratap, you should obviously, I will say, just take my code, okay, and like
Hmm.
code it without seeing. Basically, you
Yes.
just see the
Yes.
concept and try to code without seeing. That's the only
Yeah.
practice you could do.
Yeah. In the notepad, open a notepad and understand how it should flow.
Yeah,
Create the separate folders like that only. And
yeah, that's the thing you should do. Yeah, that's the thing. Yeah,
yeah, in the Viva also they are asking to use the notepad only to write the code. If you want to generate a search bar, how will you write the code
yeah.
to add in the admin dashboard? He is asking. So yeah, we should be able to write it in the notepad
That's the
without
best way to
using any
practice.
chat
Yeah, that's
GPT.
the best way to practice, I will say. Because
Hmm.
I think you can see this way. This admin page, I think only the front end coding took me three lines of codes to write the thing. And over that, we are having this backend things and all, which is connected to the routes and all. So I think you will understand that how much code you need to write over this thing, because everything I have done in the single page only. Like I have given you guys an example also. To change the things, you can use this router link also, your wish, how you decorate your wish, but you can do this in this way also, keeping it simple and robust. Any questions up
Yeah.
till now? Because admin parts are covered over up till now. Admin parts are covered till now. Okay, okay, okay. One more. I will give you a example. Okay, you two guys, anyone can tell me how I can design the searching options and all? How can I search and all through the like that like database and all? Any idea you would like to give me? How can I do the searching?
No, when we enter some in that text field for the search bar,
Yeah,
that text is given as given to the query.
yeah.
So select all. It will do and it will fetch the data from the database. Something like that is that I'm not able
Yeah,
to
I am
explain
telling you.
properly.
I'm just giving the example. So, from the front end, for suppose I am typing as SHU and I will be selecting the filter as patient, right?
Yes.
So
Yeah.
you're like Yogi that you want to try the like the logic.
Okay, like we have to generate a
Search option,
skill.
search. Yeah,
Okay, and what
what?
we have to basically
Like
fetch?
for example, like I am giving the name as Shubham and the role as patient. Then I'm searching. So that I should able to get all the details of Shubham.
Yeah, so
Okay,
it will basically, when we are given the patient, it will go to the patient table in the backend and it will search
yeah,
all the columns of the, all the rows. It will first, I think,
like we can uh,
Yeah.
use a query like select star from patient table where
Okay, okay. Select star from
star from patient
patients. Yeah,
where name equal to Shubham.
where
correct,
yeah,
correct.
right. You have gone the right way.
Yeah, where name like Shubham. Where
Yeah,
name like
right.
Shubham.
Yeah, where name like should be there. Like not this way. You can use this way also. This I'm showing you. What is this?
Where name is Shubham is also writing.
You can use this way also. I am not taking this,
Yeah.
but something like this you should use as. Then you are giving this as Shubham, something like this. But I'm telling you how you should do think that as a dynamic part. I'm just telling you, for example, when what you have told for to do in a single line a code, like for example I am doing this like this: app dot route search by admin. Suppose this is the route I am defining. Okay, suppose this is the route I am defining. So what I will
Mhm.
do, I'm giving a dummy name, so dummy only. Okay, so what I will do, just I'm just telling you the code. So I am just I have used this as a backend part. So app.route, I am just telling that okay, in this search by admin I will handle this thing. So what you will do, tell me the first statement. So I will do this one. Can you tell me the next statement? What is the basic statement which is required from the front end to the back end? Can you tell me the first statement? Anyone? If you have gone through the previous lecture, then you will understand. What is the first
Yeah,
statement?
select all
No, 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 no.
past.
The the data from the
mm,
front end to the back end needs something.
yeah, fetch.
No, not the that is from the front end to the back end. And now I am retrieving the data from the front end to the back end. What
Yes,
should I
yes,
write?
yeah.
Get
From
JSON
the
is there.
back end to the front end. Yeah,
I'm telling you, body dot
body.
get JSON.
Okay.
Remember this code.
Yes.
So it is for
Yeah, yeah.
fetching the
Yeah.
data from the front end to the back end. So you will give this first thing. Then what you will do? Suppose I'm giving this as type equals to body of suppose in the front end I am defining this as what I will tell suppose query is best thing. Query is what I will write, and filter is the best thing. Yeah, filter is equals to body of giving the filter. Okay, what is a filter? Yeah. So why I've used this? So here I'm just quoting the things. Here I am using type as Shubham. Like then you will understand Shubham, and this filter as this is basically patient. Can you get this one? Are you able to get this one?
Yeah, yeah, yes.
This is
Understood.
basically
Yeah.
Shubham, the type one, because it's a
Yeah.
query, and filter is basically patient. Now what shall I do to bifurcate the things? Like suppose if it's a patient, so I will search the patient table. If it's a doctor, I will search the doctor table. What code should I write? Go ahead. You guys go ahead only.
Uh, a role. It
A
should
role.
search by role.
See, so see
User.
here you can't get the role because admin is doing, because if you get the role also you will get the role of the admin, but that's of no use.
Mhm.
But I think you can see this well. If filter equals to patient,
Patient.
it's a very I think basic one. You will go to the patient part, else
Yes.
go to the okay
Other
doctor
doctor.
part. So now the thing is how you will code the patient part. So basically pat is equals to patient dot query dot
Yeah.
like something stuffs like this with the help of database. And for the doctor you will give that coding. For example, doc is equals to doctor dot query dot something, like whatever you give. This is how you should code. Like s- uh, build the logic first, that if I click on the filter, then it is a basically a patient's name. Then I will use the patient name for the query of getting the thing. Now the thing that what you have told, that you will be using that like in the database. So use that over here in this line 20 or line 22, whatever you required. For example, both things you need to do for 20 and 22, that you should apply over here. This is the best thing, like this part, this one you should apply over here.
Yeah.
Try to build the
Okay.
logic in this way. This is how you should code.
Mm.
This is how you should code, because in front of you only I have done the codings only. I will do the same thing only in the next class.
Correct.
When you will come, we will do the same thing only. You will see that also, that you will get the same thing over there also. So I will build the logic like this only. I am just help in this session. The main thing is that how the flow is occurring and how you should code. That's the main thing. Is it clear? Like what I have demonstrated now, is it clear?
Yeah, it is clear.
Just saving this nothing else. So
Yeah.
so this part is there. Up till now, this admin part, I will say that whether it may be heavy or not, is is the teaching was up to the mark, whatever you guys say, because see the lines of code are too big. I can't do the
Yes.
whole stuff because it will take me around 4 to 5 hours. That is the
Yeah,
biggest
you have
problem.
not used any code generation for this. You have typed everything on your.
No, no, I'm telling you. For this designs and all I have used, I will not tell any lie. But inside
Mhm.
everything, this V model and all, I have done the coding by myself only. Only the design part, it's not mine, basically.
Yeah, that is bootstrap.
Design is, yeah, bootstraps. It's all the work of chat GPTs and all. But all the logic
Mm.
building part is of mine only. This parts. This coding parts is all of mine. So you should do this in this similar pattern. So, okay,
Okay.
one second, wait. This class is officially over. So I will just end the recording over here. So basically, this class is over here.